principles I posted is the principle of scarcity. And the idea of scarcity is that scarcity tends to be the primary thing upon which we use to attribute value. It sets our perception of value. This is why, diamonds and gold and money has value, because it's a scarce resource. But it's not just money, it's not just economics. It's like, the phrase, distance makes the heart grow fonder. In other words, you impose scarcity on a relationship, and now it's also familiarity breeds contempt. When there's no scarcity in these between, then there's no perceived value. A prophet is not without honor except in his own country. It's just the principle of scarcity. So the funny thing is, we tend to see time as not scarce because we don't really allocate that time. And because we don't allocate that time and we don't have a sense of what we should be doing in that time, it's just, we come home like it's just time. And because we have no time-bound deadlines on our objectives, then there's no sense of scarcity. If you want to be someone who is more successful and who does more in life, who moves forward, then you impose scarcity on your perception of time.